Go ahead. Say something.
Hi, Brother Jacob. What is he?
You're just talking to him. We're going to send it to him. Say something.
Hi, Jacob.
Tell him what you're doing.
I'm doing Brother Jacob. I'm sitting here waiting for you to come back to Lakeland. Let me show you.
Wait, say more.
Okay, I'm showing him these.
Sit down.
These are my kids' class. Come McDonald's. I have a fly some yummy sweets.
Okay, say see you later.
See you later. Bye.